In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dating site on Wix. First things first, open your browser and navigate to the Wix website editor. If you've worked with Wix before, you know that this is your main hub for all things website creation. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, take a quick moment to orient yourself. You'll want to customize the site to suit your vision uniquely. Click on the site option visible on the upper menu. After you've done that, the next step is to hit Create New Site. This is where you'll start setting the groundwork for your dating site. Wix makes this part of the process incredibly intuitive. You'll be guided through selecting various site templates to find something suitable for a dating platform. Now click on the dating blog when the options appear. This template serves as an excellent starting point because it's already somewhat tailored to a relationship-focused atmosphere. Click Continue to proceed further. Here, it's essential to add a members area to your site. Wix has a built-in feature that facilitates managing user accounts and membership options, which is crucial for a dating site. Within the setup interface, click on Search, which is typically located towards the bottom or side of the screen, depending on your layout. Type in Members Area into the search bar. Once it pops up, click on the option that lets members manage their accounts and access content. This will permit users to edit their profiles, check messages, and engage with other members, essential for a user-friendly experience. Next, go ahead and click Add Again to confirm that the members area is integrated into your site. This ensures that the functionality is seamless, allowing for the creation of a comprehensive profile section. Now find your way over to the App Market. You'll spot this option on the standard toolbar. This is where you can enhance your site's capabilities with additional features. In the search bar within the App Market, type in Wix Chat. Including a chat function like this is invaluable, as it facilitates direct communication between members. When Wix Chat appears, click on it to explore its utilities. This app supports instant messaging, enabling members to send messages directly, a vital feature for any dating platform. Having a chat app integrated means users can engage in real-time conversations, which enhances interaction and retention on your site. And there you have it, a streamlined process to set up your own dating site on Wix, complete with essential features like user profiles and instant chat messaging. Following these steps will give you a strong foundation to begin fostering a vibrant community, allowing connections to flourish. Enjoy customizing your dating site, and may it bring people together from all walks of life. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.